Hello everyone and welcome back to TrendingX. Today we'll talk about the first smartphone of 2021 Mi 11 by Xiaomi, which was recently launched in China and about to come in India with Qualcomm's latest processor Snapdragon 888. So today's video is all about this phone, that when it is coming to Indian market, what all are the specification it holds and what all it contains. So watch this video till the end for every related information about this phone. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and share this video with your friends for all the latest updates by TrendingX.
Turn the fuck up.
So this is the first look of Mi 11, which is recently launched in China on 28th of December, and from the leaks we can say by this month only it will come to Indian market. So talking in detail about this beautiful flagship by Xiaomi, let's see major specs it holds. So this phone comes up with the massive display of 6.81 inches and a powerful processor Snapdragon 888. Front camera of 20 megapixel and rear triple camera setup of 108, 13 and 5 megapixel. RAM is 8GB and ROM 128GB with a huge battery of 4600 mAh powered by Android 11 operating system. Now going in detail, let's talk about general things. It comes with full glass body with a weight of 196 grams. A huge battery of 4600 mAh with the fast charging support, and it comes in 6 different colors. Now talking about its display, which is of 6.81 inches, full touch screen with the resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. Protection type is Gorilla Glass, ratio is 20:9 and PPI is 515. Moving on to the hardware part. So it comes with Qualcomm's latest processor Snapdragon 888, which is fastest Android processor till now, with the RAM of 8GB and ROM of 128GB. Now let's see what it got when it comes about camera. So there is a real triple camera setup of 108, 13 and 5 megapixels, which comes with aperture of 2.4 each in 13 and 5 megapixel plus 1.85 aperture in 105 megapixel camera, a rear flash and autofocus, and in front a single camera of 20 megapixel with an aperture of 2.4. Now talking about its operating system, which is Android 11 with the skin of MIUI 12. So now talking about connectivity, it is enabled with Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.2, NFC, USB Type-C and 2 number of SIMs. Both SIMs supports 5G connectivity, and in India with the band of 40 it supports 4G. Now last but not the least, talking about the sensors it have. So it is enabled with face unlock feature, in display fingerprint sensor, compass or we can say magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. So this is all about Xiaomi's Mi 11, which is about to launch in India. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel for the future update. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.